8 ways how the Sigma male improve himself. In the vast spectrum of societal roles, the Sigma male stands apart, navigating a path less visible but deeply significant. This archetype challenges the conventional dominance hierarchy, choosing instead a journey marked by introspection, self-reliance, and a quiet defiance of traditional norms. The Sigma male's path is one of inner discovery, where the quest for personal excellence is driven by a profound desire to carve out a unique identity, freed from societal constraints. This exploration into the Sigma male's world reveals a commitment to personal growth, resilience against adversity, and a pursuit of autonomy that defies common archetypes. As we delve into the characteristics that define this solitary navigator, we uncover the essence of a journey not just about self-improvement, but about redefining the very paradigms of strength, wisdom, and independence. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the linchpin of the Sigma male's arsenal, empowering them to navigate the complex landscape of human emotions with finesse and depth. This skill goes beyond mere self-regulation, encompassing empathy, social skills, and the ability to forge connections that resonate on a profound level. In the Sigma male's world, emotional intelligence is a strategic tool, enabling them to understand and leverage the dynamics of human interaction to foster positive outcomes. It's this nuanced understanding of emotions that equips Sigma males to manage conflicts adeptly, build enduring relationships, and lead with a quiet but impactful influence. 2. Embrace solitude as a source of strength. Solitude, for the Sigma male, is a sanctuary of self-reflection and regeneration. In the quietude of their own company, Sigma males find the freedom to explore their thoughts, dreams, and aspirations without distraction. This deliberate embrace of solitude is not born from a disdain for social interaction, but from the recognition of its value in fostering personal growth and creativity. In these moments of solitude, Sigma males engage with their innermost selves, developing insights and ideas that are both innovative and introspective. Solitude becomes a canvas on which they paint their visions of the future, a sacred space where the noise of the world is replaced by the clarity of their own voice. This intentional retreat into solitude is a testament to the Sigma male's understanding that true strength and inspiration are often found in the silence of one's own mind, where the seeds of creativity and resilience are sown and nurtured. 3. Pursue lifelong learning. The Sigma male's pursuit of knowledge is relentless and all-encompassing, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a deep-seated belief in the power of education to transform and empower. This journey of lifelong learning transcends the confines of traditional education, embracing a wide array of disciplines and modalities. The Sigma male seeks wisdom in its many forms, recognizing that true mastery is a never-ending quest. This approach to learning is both strategic and passionate, reflecting a commitment to personal excellence and an understanding that adaptability and knowledge are key to navigating the complexities of the modern world. For the Sigma male, lifelong learning is not just an intellectual exercise, but a way of life, a means to continually evolve, adapt, and thrive in an ever-changing landscape. 4. Develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of the Sigma male's journey towards self-improvement, serving as the foundation upon which all other achievements are built. It is through self-discipline that Sigma males are able to channel their energies and focus towards their goals, overcoming obstacles and distractions with unwavering determination. This commitment to discipline is manifested in their meticulous planning, rigorous routines, and the self-imposed standards of excellence they strive to meet. The practice of self-discipline for the Sigma male is a reflection of their deep respect for their own potential and a recognition of the effort required to realize it fully. It is a testament to their belief in the transformative power of consistent, dedicated effort and the personal satisfaction derived from achieving one's goals through perseverance and self-control. 5. Cultivate physical fitness. Physical fitness is integral to the Sigma male's holistic approach to self-improvement, embodying the principle that a strong body is essential for a strong mind. This commitment to physical health is about more than just the pursuit of physical prowess. It's about cultivating a discipline that extends to all areas of life. Regular physical activity, balanced nutrition, and restorative rest are seen not as chores, but as fundamental aspects of a life well lived. For the Sigma male, physical fitness is a reflection of self-respect and an investment in their own longevity and well-being. It's a practice that enhances not only physical capability, but also mental clarity. In dedicating themselves to maintaining their physical health, Sigma males underscore the interconnectedness of physical and mental health, recognizing that each is essential to the other's optimization. 6. Master the art of independence. Independence is the hallmark of the Sigma male's identity, reflecting a deep-rooted desire for autonomy and self-determination. This independence is multifaceted, encompassing financial freedom, emotional self-sufficiency, and the intellectual autonomy to form one's own opinions and beliefs. For the Sigma male, independence is not merely a matter of circumstance, but a deliberate choice, a life philosophy that prioritizes personal accountability and freedom over reliance on external validation or support. This approach to life demands a high degree of self-awareness, courage, and resilience, as it involves navigating the world on one's own terms, making decisions that align with one's values and aspirations. The Sigma male's pursuit of independence is a testament to their strength of character and their commitment to living a life that is truly their own, unencumbered by societal expectations or conventional norms. 7. Build meaningful relationships. Despite their penchant for solitude, Sigma males place immense value on the depth and quality of their relationships. They seek out connections that are rooted in mutual respect, intellectual compatibility, and shared values, preferring the richness of meaningful interactions over the superficiality of casual acquaintances, reflecting the Sigma male's understanding that true connection is based on authenticity and mutual growth. The Sigma male's approach to relationships is characterized by a willingness to invest time and effort into building bonds that are supportive, enriching, and capable of withstanding the challenges of time. This discerning approach to social connections highlights the Sigma male's appreciation for the complexity of human relationships and their desire to forge connections that are not just meaningful but transformative. 8. Contribute to something greater. The Sigma male's journey of self-improvement is intrinsically linked to a broader vision of contributing to something greater than themselves. This drive to make a positive impact on the world manifests in various forms, from professional achievements that push the boundaries of their field, to philanthropic efforts that seek to uplift those in need, to everyday acts of kindness that spread goodwill in their immediate circles. The Sigma male views their contributions not as a means to an end, but as an integral part of their identity, a reflection of their values, and a testament to their belief in the power of individual action to effect collective change. This commitment to making a difference is fueled by a deep sense of purpose. This journey, though less traveled, offers a vision of what it means to truly know oneself and to live with purpose, authenticity, and integrity. It is a testament to the power of the individual to shape their destiny and to make a meaningful impact on the world around them. For those bold enough to follow this path, the rewards are not just personal achievement and satisfaction, but the realization of their fullest potential as individuals committed to a life of depth, meaning, and impact. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.